What's happening, YouTube? Watching Strange Creations. I'm Zach. You caught me kind of off guard. I just got notice that my rims are officially in and at the house, and no one could get them inside. So I'm gonna go over there, grab them real quick, show you guys what they look like, and then later on today, we're gonna go ahead and put some tires on them and mount them on the truck. So today's kind of a big day for me, getting a new setup on the truck. So if you guys want to see how it looks, go ahead, stay tuned, and subscribe to my channel if you like the truck. Hit that like button, and we got more coming. So have a good day. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so just picked up the rims. Unfortunately, I gotta go back to work right now, so we can't look at them right this second. But if you stay tuned, we're gonna be looking at it here in just a moment for you guys. For me, it's gonna be about an hour or so. So heading back to work right now. I'll show you guys what I'm doing actually at work, give you an idea of what I actually do for work, how I afford all this good jazz, and yeah, we'll go from there. So alright there, guys. At the job site, we got the Dura going. We got Dave-O right here, Mr. Leeway. Yeah, Dave-O. Alright, he'll get used to it. Anyway, we're checking out the Dura. Just laid down the footer last week. What was that, last week we did the footer? So last week we just did the footer. Got the Dura going up today. Going pretty smoothly. So if you guys don't know, that's the stem wall for your building, basically. Stem wall. Slab's going to sit right on top of that. So I'll keep you up to date. Get all this dirt work out here, put a slab on top of that. That's why you got this kind of a level down right here. It's top of your wall, and then your slab is going to be right there, and then your butt right into the top of that. So yeah, here's the foundation for the Dura. Anyway, we got Dave-O cutting it over there, getting it ready for us. Good hard working man. All right guys, so got our new piece right here. As you can see, she don't fit, and we got these lines right here kind of guide us in. This is not level at all, by the way, so once you level that out, this is going to kind of go into place. So we're going to go ahead, cut this on both sides, fit it into place, and then this whole entire wall right here up to the corner will be done. And then yeah, we just got that middle section right there and these two ends to do, and that's basically it. So we'll go ahead and get right onto it. Just got to cut it in. Just like I said, you got a little bit of a gap right here. We'll grab our can of foam, foam in these little pieces right here that are throughout our staggers. All right, but first we need to make sure our tabs are lined up right here. Snaps in. There's actually snaps. Top is cut off right here, but there's actually a snap hook on both ends of this. It snaps into the next layer of Dura. So what you do is you pound that guy in there a little bit. Okay, line it up, pound it in there, and the snap hook is going to connect from this to that all throughout. Make sure it's all lined up, and then your piece is in there. All right, once your piece is in, you grab your can of foam. Throughout the bottom, you'll shoot some foam as well. So yeah, we'll go ahead and get to that. And there she be. Ready to continue. Anyway, pretty sure you guys didn't click on the video to watch me work. Pretty sure you clicked on the video to see these guys right here. I already opened one of them, so we'll try to work that guy over. So let's pop these open and get a little sneak peek before they're actually mounted, huh? Alright guys, and like I said, I'm at work, so you're gonna have to forgive the kind of dramaticness in this video and the randomness. Alright, there you guys go. Alright, have a good day. Take it easy. Bye-bye. Just kidding. Alright, I'll give you a little sneak peek, but the grand finale is going to be a little bit later in the video. So gonna have to stick around and watch. Oh, buddy. And that's it in the box. So I don't want to take it out or anything. I'm at work right now. I'm going to have them mounted here in a little bit. So stick around. You'll see them on the truck. But we're going to go ahead and take lunch. Hey, Davo! Whatever. We're taking lunch anyway. So that's the rim right there, bud. So stick around. Find out. Just picked up the truck from the tire shop. Rims and tires are officially installed, so we're cutting back to the crib. That way I can actually show you the truck with the new rims and tires on. Cruising around right now, feels pretty good, so I'm gonna go ahead, cut back to the garage, and yeah, we'll show you what the truck looks like with the new rims. Alright guys, so we're back at the house, got the truck parked. We're gonna go ahead, skip right to it and go right to the truck. So without further ado, here's the truck. Guys, there's the truck. I think it turned out amazing, honestly. Great choice. I didn't cheap out on any of it, so great setup. There's more stuff coming to the truck, more stuff coming to the car, more stuff coming. So if you like what I'm doing, hit that like button, subscribe, hit that bell, that way you get the notifications. Anyway, like I said earlier, I'm just getting off of work, so YouTube America, you take it easy. I'm out. hit that like button, subscribe. Have a good day.